Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Pepe Update. So before we get into the conversation of today's update, let's check the yesterday's video when I was talking about what is the Pepe fam doing. 2 is probably doing. So Pepe 2 has this one huge cup right there and a handle and a technical target up to 15,000 from 8,000 or 8,900. And this is a trade we're in right now on the private. So the thing is that Alright, so I gave you a comment yesterday. This is something you could have even benefit from. And yes, we were in that trade yesterday. So this was the call that I gave, Pepe 2. And we bought at 87,211, stop here and sell at 15,000. It didn't go to 15,000, it went to 14,000. And we were still able to get like 35% win out of Pepe 2. We sold at 12,000 something. So December is opened up. If you want to be a part of it, do message me on Twitter, which is adamcoins_. So this is my handle right here. Just message me and it's a very 5 minutes process for you to join. It's paid, just a little bit of a fee, and then you're in, you're good to go. So back into the Pepe chart. Pepe 2 has already done its work, right? So if I show you Pepe 2 right now, I already have an update as well. We had a wick probably up to 15,000 nearly, but ended up at 14,000, and then from there was a very huge sell-off for Pepe, which I don't really know why they did it, but then again, coins like this tend to be very volatile. And Pepe community, which is another Pepe coin family, I still do want to see how this falling wedge is going to behave like. So basically, move down, move up, move down, move up, and maybe another move down here. I'm thinking of buying down there somewhere, because if it does pop to the upside, that's a lot. Okay, that's almost like a 100% move up. So yeah, I may be taking this call for December, so be sure to be a part of it if you're interested. And let's get into the Pepe itself. So we are still continuing to move sideways. We're still continuing with this distribution phase, I may say, and it looks like you are ready to probably take the wick out of equation. You are still looking for probably 10,508. That is a place where we might be looking at the prices to push to the downside. I do still see a little bit of a trend line going on right there. Yeah, so you have to look at this trend line as well. So if you're not still going to take out that wick over there, then you probably are looking for something like this, and eventually we're gonna get a answer. You're gonna have to get an answer until 16th of December, which is quite a lot, nearly 1 month of waiting. But then again, that's where I do see the price is literally trying to crawl up to. And if you start to break below that trend line and you lose the trend line and you never break above, then your next technical target is basically down to 8773. So if you do see something like go up like this and break below, retest and get rejected right over there, then you are looking for a move to the downside. Of course, we're going to talk about this in the future if it happens. Keep an eye on the channel, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.